I've got a Christmas market that is in just over 20 days. I decided to do a Christmas market at the beginning of October. So I'm a bit late to the game. Most people start prepping for markets, Christmas markets, in like summer. So I've had 2 months, October and the rest of this month, to build up my stock. I'm doing pretty good so far. I'll show you everything that I've made in a minute. But I wanted to challenge myself to see how much I can make in this weekend and just sit down and like grind and get things mostly done. I'm at the studio, I've got my lunch, snacks and dinner. I'm gonna watch Harry Potter and just like focus. But yeah, so it's Saturday, it's already 12 p.m, so a bit of a late start to the day, but that should be fine. So we'll see how I get on and how much I can make. But I'll show you everything that I've made so far. This tea is incredible. It has oat milk in it. I've never done that before. I'm obsessed with it. So this looks a bit crazy at the moment, but I'll show you what I've made. So I've made these crochet like paper chains. Got 2 of them. I've got 15 baubles, 2 stockings, and I'll probably do another one. I've got some bows. I've got a pair of gloves. I've made 20 of these stars. I've also got these stockings from last year, which I thought I could just throw in. Over here, I've made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 scarves. I had made another one of these, but I literally just sold it, so I have to make another one. I've also got these little earrings. So I think that is everything that I've made so far. My plan of the day, I think my plan of the day is to do, or the weekend, is to make gloves. I've also got these gloves. So I've made these little gloves, and I've got 2 different colours to make some more versions. And then I've also got this yarn to make some more hair bows. I'm gonna make some more earrings. So I think it's gloves, hair bows and earrings is everything that I've got left. And then obviously there's like a few more scarves and stockings, but that can sort of be last minute sort of stuff. So I think I'll start with the gloves today. And let's see how we get on. I'll try and put timestamps on the video so we can actually see like real life progress. But yeah, let's get started.
Oh, I connected to your Bluetooth?
I think so.
I closed all my tabs thinking I had some error playing on my computer.
I don't doubt
Sorry.
girls will find it just as
Just done the thumb hole of the glove, and now I'm going to add in the white stripes. So I've nearly finished the first glove. I've done all these stripes and I just have to do a few more rows of purple and then cast it off. And I think that just took me maybe just over an hour. So pretty good timing. I made a mistake. This is all twisted, which is super annoying. So I have to undo it and start again. Back on track with the second glove. Okay, it's 3:30. I don't know if that's taken me longer than I expected. It probably took an hour and a half each. So yeah, first project of the weekend is done. I think I'm going to move on to something different now, just to have a little break from knitting. I think I'm going to make a crochet hair bow. I want to make this in 3 different colorways. When I ordered the yarn on the website, this looked red on the website, but that is not red. So that's a bit annoying because I wanted to do like a Christmas themed one. I mean, it's still a cute colorway, but I want it to be like a cute Christmas hair bow. So that's kind of annoying. I was gonna do, what colors was I gonna do? So a light pink and a darker pink, but that's, the website is not showing the colors off very well because that was much darker because they look very similar. And then it was going to be blue and red and green and red, but I'm just going to have to go with this. I can't be bothered to take it back. I still think it will look cute and it's kind of Christmassy with the green, so it should be okay. Oh my god, it's only 3:30, I'm tired. Let's start with the pink and blue. It's so useful making crochet tutorials because I have the worst memory and I've forgotten how to make these hair bows, but I have a tutorial so I can just watch my own tutorial, which is super handy. Probably like halfway through the hair bow. In England it gets dark at 4:30. It's currently 5, but that means it's appropriate. We're allowed to turn the lights off and put the office into cozy mode, and I'm going to start watching Harry Potter. This is the bow. The colours are super cute and I've just attached a little clasp on. I would put it in my hair, but it's at a bit of an awkward angle. 2 projects done, and now I think I'm gonna, what's the time? I think I'm gonna have my dinner. I'm hungry. Have my dinner and then I think I'm gonna do some earrings. Finish the little earrings, and now I'm adding the jewelry attachments so they can actually be worn. Okay, 2 little earrings done. These are so cute. They're just so fiddly though. I don't know what to make next. I need to make more of what I've made today, but I struggle to like make the same thing a lot, so I need to like have a break, do something different, and then come back to what I've already made. Okay, I've decided I'm going to make a granny square scarf. Like this. It's 14 squares and then joined together and a border around it. So I love these scarves. I think they're so cute and funky, and I love that they're velvet, which you wouldn't normally see on a scarf. So Now I need to get my giant hook. I've used the tiniest hook to make earrings. Now a big hook to make a chunky scarf. It's 9:00. I've been doing this for 9 hours. I've made 14 granny squares. And now I just need to join them all together, which is actually quite a quick process. I promise I'm having fun. Welcome back. It's Sunday, day 2 of my how much can I crochet and knit challenge for my Christmas market. So yesterday I think I was crocheting for 9 hours. So yeah, that was pretty good. We'll see how I get on today. It might be a bit of a shorter day. It's already 12 o'clock, so another late start because I went for a swim this morning. But my plan today is to do another pair of gloves, another hair bow, and a stocking. So maybe I'll start with a stocking, just so it's a bit different from yesterday. I'm going to start with a Christmas stocking, which I have 2 hidden there. So this is a knitting project using my biggest knitting needles. Where are they? Found them. This is as far as I could get with the stocking. I've done the leg, the heel, which doesn't look very heely, and a bit of the foot. I just need to do the toes, but I don't have enough yarn, so finish that later. Time for lunch. I think I'm going to do another pair of gloves now. So the other colours had this white stripe or creamy stripe, but it's quite similar. So I'm going to see if I've got some yarn in my yarn stash that's a bit more pop-in that could look good with this. I feel like this red could look really cute. I'm going to make 2 of these gloves now. I might be done for the day. It's 5:15. I'm just gonna tidy up and you are living. I'm gonna tidy up and like lay out everything I've made. Yeah, I think I'm done. I might do something later when I get home, but I probably won't film it, so I'll probably just leave the video here, but I'll show you everything that I've made this weekend. Okay, so I've just laid out everything that I made over the past 2 days. So let's just go through it. So I've got these cute purple striped fingerless gloves. And then I just finished up this. I thought this was grey, but it's beige, but it's looking kind of grey. So these greige and red gloves. I've just got one of them. I'll probably finish the other one tonight. And then I've got these 2 hair bows, a stripy velvet scarf. This is probably my favourite thing I've made. And a nearly done stocking. I just found this extra bit of yarn. It won't finish it off, but it'll add something to it. So I'll finish that off next week. And then I've got the blue present earrings. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counting these as separate projects. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I made 9 things in total this weekend. So it's been very productive, but I don't really want to look at yarn again. But I know that I have to, because I have to keep making things for this project, for this market. Thanks for watching.